We are a machine shop that manufactures typically standard products for stamping dies, your standard components that go in them, but we also offer multiple custom machining options. Anywhere from lathes, turning half-inch OD up into 14-inch OD with lengths up to 36 inches, and then milling capabilities from a working size of 24 inches by 24 inches by 48 inches, with finishing capabilities of grinding for ID, OD, and flat plate. So we have Mazak 1060, that's our largest 5-axis machine that can do a working size of 24 inches by 24 inches to 48 inches. So very large product. And we also have 3 Mazak 800 5-axis machines, slightly smaller than the 1060, but those are palletized machines that we can load up and they can work unmanned. The machines were required for the process of making lamina box cams, but we had open capacity. So we're looking to fill that capacity and really differentiating ourselves from the stamping die, adding us into really any realm of what needs to be machined. There's a lot of parts out there that we have the capability of making for a customer. We had a local company, they were in dire situation, as with a lot of other companies having labor constraints. They brought us a part that was non-standard for us by any means, but it fit our machining capabilities, and then worked together to develop the process. Prevented them from having to acquire another mill and adding a second shift. We had the open capacity, so it partnered well together. With that process, we can emphasize flexibility. If you have the material, great. If you don't, we can source that. And we can usually get them in within less than a week, depending on what that is. We have engineers on site that can do the post-processing, as well as we have multiple skilled machinists that, given the project, they can look at it, work with the engineers to develop what is the right way to set this job up and to machine it so that we can process it efficiently and cost-effectively. Once the product is completed, we offer CMM, hardness testing, and if there's destructive tests that are required, we can do those as well. Customers should consider this option if they're really in between that make-buy scenario. It's something that if they don't want to invest in the capital right away, but they do need to get the process moving, we're a perfect solution for that.